What's going on, guys? It's Brother Drew, Mr. Drew, Mark Anthony Drew, Mark Drew Speaks. Be sure to subscribe to the page, stay in touch, asking ourselves, why, Why are we so quick to help others achieve their dream and forget about ourselves? It's like I feel like you feel like you're helping everyone else and nobody's helping you. And you look out and you're just so loving and you want everyone to achieve great things. And you're just out there, peace, love, and harmony and all that stuff. And then you get home and, man, what about me? You can feel alone at times, But you're not alone. You're not alone. I feel maybe we're looking for validation. We're just giving, it's like love, right? We're just wanting to help others succeed. Right? To validate our own existence, to validate our own worth. But in doing that, we forget about ourselves. But before we get to self, you're doing great work. Never doubt yourself in giving. Never doubt yourself when you're helping others. You're doing great work. The pain comes when we look for it in return. The expectation of gratitude, And that's why love has to be unconditional. When we're given our gifts, we have to give them unconditional. Because when we give with that expectation of reciprocation, it's the expectation of reciprocation that crushes our dreams. And we're left to think, well, what about me? And we have to accept the work doesn't work that way. Everyone doesn't seek validation by having to give to others. Others already some have that confidence built into themselves and they show outward. There's no right or wrongs. It's just all wired differently, But I feel it. I was there. I'm constantly the yes man, right? Have you ever been the yes man, a yes woman? It's hard to say no. We don't want that conflict. We don't want to let people down. But in return, we say yes, we overextend ourselves. And we end up letting ourselves down. So my word to you is yes, continue to give and never kick yourself for giving. Continue to help others. But today's the day, baby. Let's go. Now's the moment. Now we're going to get to you. Because you can do amazing things. You've already shown that you can do it. You're a leader. If you have the ability to help others achieve their goals, that means you're a leader. And now it's time to start leading yourself. But first we have to find ourselves. We have to go inside and spend time with ourselves. Stop kicking